Today in Maths, you are going to be completing a mental maths test. You will have 10 questions, that you will need to listen to, and you will have 5 seconds to work out the answer to write it down. Then you'll have 5 more questions after that, and you will have 10 seconds to think about the answer in your head and write the answer down. Okay, so it's 15 questions altogether. So the first thing I would like you to do is think carefully in your head about our 4 calculations that we have. Think about the different mental strategies you can use for addition and subtraction and for multiplying and dividing. Okay, this is when it's really important our times table knowledge comes in and helps us. Okay, so I'm going to read out each question and you need to listen carefully. If you find it a bit tricky and you want some extra time, then pause the video. Okay, also think about some of those words that mean the same as addition and subtraction, multiply and divide. The word difference that you might find means subtract. Okay, so if you hear that word difference, then you know you need to subtract. Okay, so we're going to start with question number 1 and you have 5 seconds to answer this question and then I will call out the next question. Okay, question number 1. Write in figures the number 596. Question number 2. What number is halfway between 2.7 and 2.9? Number 3. What is 1/10 as a percentage? 1 out of 10 as a percentage. Number 4 is write in figures 181 correct to the nearest hundred. 181 rounded to the nearest hundred. Number 5. Add 6.02 and 2.15 together. Number 6. There are 31 days in May. How many days are there after the 19th of May? 31 and 19. Number 7. How many weeks are there in 70 days? Number 8. What is 14 multiplied by 10? Number 9. I have removed 30% of soil from my path. What percentage of soil is left? Number 10. John has 22 identical socks. How many pairs of socks does he have? Okay, well done for answering those questions. Now we have 5 more questions to answer, but this time you have 10 seconds to answer these questions. Okay, so this will be number 11. Bob spends £1.20. He pays with a £5 note. How much change does he get? Number 12. The temperature was -9 degrees Celsius. It went up by 10 degrees. Write down the new temperature. The key word there to think of, it was -9. Question number 13. 12 strawberries are shared between 6 people. How many does each person get? Number 14. 1/5 of a number is 9. What is the number? Number 15. A TV program starts at 1:15 and ends at 4:15. How many minutes does the program last? Okay, once you have completed that, well done. Go back, if you found it tricky and you found the timing too fast, then go back, listen to it again, but you pause it after each question, okay? Once you have completed the test, take a picture of it, upload it to Seesaw, and then you can spend the rest of your maths learning time either going on to My Maths to completing assignments, going on to Times Table Rockstars, or using Century Learning to help you. Okay? Well done.